Hey everybody, this is Coach D with TackleTrading.com here to talk to you about what are deep in the money options. Deep in the money options. A deep in the money option has a strike price significantly below the current market price of the underlying asset for a call option, or significantly above the current market price of the underlying asset for a put option. The value of such an option is nearly all intrinsic value and have minimal extrinsic premium. How deep in the money is defined varies from platform to platform. We define deep in the money as any option with the delta higher than 0.80 and low extrinsic value. Here you can see I have a snapshot of the options chain for Apple computers. At the time I took this video, Apple's stock price was trading at 193. That means that the at-the-money options are right here at 190 and 195 for the calls and the puts. And if we wanted to see the deep in the money calls, we'd look over here at the delta column, and we'd find deltas greater than 0.80 like you see right here. And so what that means is that 175 call option is deep in the money, and everything lower than that is also considered deep in the money. Over here on the right, we have the put options. Here's the delta column, and if we look down that delta column, we will see that the first delta greater than 0.80 is right here at 210 on the put side, and everything below 210 would be considered a deep in the money put option. Here we can see the intrinsic and extrinsic value. Again, over here on the left for the calls, I have the intrinsic and extrinsic value column showing. And again, if we go look at the deep in the money option here with delta of 0.80 or higher, the intrinsic value is $17.90 and the extrinsic value is just $2.25. You'll notice as it goes deeper in the money, the extrinsic value gets smaller and smaller. This is also true over here on the put side. Over here on the put side, we look at the intrinsic and extrinsic value. Again, we go find the deltas lower than 0.80. And here we can see that the intrinsic value is $17.10 and the extrinsic value is just $1.45. The deeper we go in the money on the put options, the lower the extrinsic value gets. That is the definition of a deep in the money option.